Hey everyone, welcome back to Making Money Online, the channel where I share tips and strategies to help you earn extra income right from the comfort of your home. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money online using something most of us already have on our computers, Microsoft Excel. That's right, you can turn your Excel skills into a money-making machine, and I'll show you how in 7 steps. Stick around to find out how Excel can help you start earning cash from anywhere. Step 1. Offering Excel tutoring services. Let's kick things off with one of the easiest ways to make money with Excel: tutoring. Whether you're an Excel expert or just know the basics, there are tons of people out there who are willing to pay for guidance. Think about it, businesses, students, or anyone looking to enhance their productivity needs Excel skills. Take platforms like Fiverr, Udemy, or even Skillshare. There are tutors charging anywhere from $25 to over $100 per hour just for Excel lessons. The best part? You don't need to start with advanced topics like macros or VBA. You can start small by teaching Excel basics like formatting, formulas, and functions. Many people struggle with these fundamentals and are eager to learn. You could even create pre-recorded tutorials and sell them as online courses. Once you've made the course, it becomes a form of passive income. People can purchase your course while you sleep, and you continue to earn without having to do more work. I recommend starting by identifying what you're really good at within Excel and building your teaching around that. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can build a client base. Teaching Excel can be very rewarding, and as you develop your skills further, you can expand to teach advanced topics. Whether it's one-on-one tutoring or creating full-fledged online courses, this is a great way to monetize your knowledge. Step 2. Creating Excel templates to sell. Moving on to the second method, selling Excel templates. Have you ever thought about all the different ways Excel can be used? From budgeting to project management, there's a template for almost everything. And here's the exciting part. People are willing to pay good money for professionally designed templates. On platforms like Etsy, you can see users selling templates for $5 to $50 a pop. Budgeting templates, project trackers, sales sheets. These are all things businesses, freelancers, or even individuals buy to save time. Why spend hours building a spreadsheet from scratch when they can pay a small fee to download one? You can design a few templates around popular themes like budgeting, invoices, or project management. Once your templates are uploaded to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website, it becomes another source of passive income. The beauty of this business model is that you create the template once, and then it can sell over and over again without you having to lift a finger. To start, just think about problems people have that Excel can solve. Are you great at financial planning? Create a budget template. Love organizing data? Build an inventory tracker. The possibilities are endless. Step 3. Data entry jobs using Excel. Next, we have data entry jobs using Excel. Now, I know what you're thinking. Data entry doesn't sound glamorous, but it's one of the most straightforward ways to make money online with Excel. This is especially perfect for those who are just getting started and want something relatively easy to jump into. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and even Fiverr have loads of job postings for Excel data entry. Typically, you're tasked with transferring information from one place to another, entering numbers into a spreadsheet, or organizing data. It's simple, but businesses are willing to pay for this because it saves them time. Rates for data entry jobs can range from $10 to $20 an hour, sometimes even higher, depending on the complexity of the task. Plus, if you can finish the tasks quickly and accurately, you'll be able to complete multiple projects in a day, boosting your earnings. The best part is that you don't need advanced Excel skills for these types of jobs. If you're comfortable using basic functions, sorting data, and working with rows and columns, you're good to go. Plus, as you gain experience, you can start applying for more specialized data entry tasks that pay even more. Step 4. Freelancing in Excel reporting and analysis. If you have more advanced Excel skills, you can offer reporting and analysis services to businesses. Companies often need help organizing and analyzing large amounts of data, creating reports, or building visual dashboards. This is where Excel really shines. With Excel, you can create dashboards that help businesses track performance, sales, customer data, or even financial forecasts. You can visualize data with charts, graphs, and pivot tables, making it easier for business owners or managers to make decisions. Freelancers offering Excel reporting and analysis services can charge anywhere from $50 to $200 per project, depending on the scope and complexity. If you can offer customized reports that save businesses time and improve their decision-making, they'll gladly pay a premium for your services. This is especially useful for small businesses that don't have in-house data analysts. You can find these gigs on freelancing platforms, but you can also reach out to local businesses that need help managing their data. Step 5. Offering personal finance management services. Let's switch gears a little and talk about helping people manage their personal finances using Excel. A lot of people struggle with budgeting, tracking their expenses, or saving for big goals. If you're good at organizing financial data, you can offer personal finance management services. You can create custom Excel spreadsheets that help people track their income, expenses, and savings goals. You can even help clients understand their spending patterns, create monthly or yearly budgets, or calculate loan payments and interest. This is a great way to offer personalized solutions to people who might not be comfortable using apps or prefer the flexibility of Excel. You can charge anywhere from $30 to $100 per client, depending on how in-depth your services are. If you enjoy working with numbers and helping people get their finances in order, this could be a really fulfilling way to make money while making a positive impact on people's lives. Step 6. Automating tasks with VBA in Excel. Now let's talk about something more advanced: automation. If you know how to code with VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, in Excel, you can create scripts that automate repetitive tasks. This is a huge time saver for businesses. Think about tasks like sorting data, generating daily reports, or importing data from other systems. VBA can automate all of that. Once you set up the code, Excel can run these tasks with a single click, saving hours of manual work. Businesses are more than willing to pay for automation because it saves them time and money in the long run. You could charge hundreds of dollars for one automation project, and the same script can often be reused for future clients with minor tweaks. Plus, as you gain more experience, you can offer even more complex automation solutions, increasing your earning potential. Step 7. Becoming an Excel consultant. Finally, if you really want to turn your Excel skills into a full-fledged business, you can become an Excel consultant. As a consultant, you work directly with businesses to solve their specific problems using Excel. This could involve anything from building financial models to setting up systems that track inventory, performance, or KPIs. Excel consultants often specialize in a particular industry or niche, and they provide tailored solutions that meet the exact needs of their clients. For instance, a consultant might design a custom financial dashboard for a company's sales team, or create a dynamic inventory tracker for a retail business. The pay for Excel consulting can be quite lucrative. You can charge by the hour, often $50 to $200 per hour, or per project, with projects sometimes reaching thousands of dollars depending on their complexity. If you're confident in your Excel expertise and love solving complex problems, consulting can be a great way to earn big while working with a wide range of clients. So, there you have it. 7 solid ways you can start making money online using Excel. Whether you're just starting with basic data entry or ready to jump into consulting, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to Making Money Online for more ways to earn income online. Let me know in the comments which method you're excited to try, or if you've already started making money with Excel, share your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.